Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy, your digital lifestyle expert, Mario Armstrong. It's spring season. Are you enjoying this weather? Are you entertained? Man, I'm telling you, I need this spring. All right, it's a great time to clean, but it's also a great time to find ways to save money and get organized with the best tech in the business. So I partnered with a few brands that I think can help all of you out. I'm gonna start first with what I love to do on my off time. That's watch some TV with the wifey, but not just any TV, the new 65-inch Roku Plus Series TV. This is a smart TV with a premium entertainment experience at an incredible value. It's designed by streaming experts. This is their first. Roku made their own TV, people. This is big. It's easy to use, and it's under $650. It has stunning picture quality, super fast performance, enhanced features like Bluetooth private listening. That means you can listen to the TV while they're reading a book. How do you like that? Or if you need hearing aids, it also can connect Bluetooth to your hearing aid. It's got automatic brightness, Roku's Voice Remote Pro, a bunch of other features. Plus, you can easily browse a huge selection of free, live, and premium content. You can find out the trending TV shows and movies, live sporting events, even share photos with your family and friends on it. Go to Roku.com to find out more on that. Let's work on bettering our finances this year, people. Come on, I want you to make more money, and I want you to save money, and I want you to build your legacy. So this tip is crucial. You've got to increase your credit score. The Extra debit card is the first debit card that builds your credit and earns rewards points on your everyday purchases. Extra connects to your bank account, so there's no credit check, and you can manage your spending with what you actually have in the bank. Now, according to a recent study, Extra members were able to raise their credit score by an average of 48 points, and they became twice as likely to get a credit card or an auto loan when they used the card as recommended. Go to their website, go find out more about this to get get the credit score up. Go to www.extra.app. Now this spring, why not get help organizing your finances? Look, I'm tired of this. I don't know about you. I got receipts coming out of my wallet like crazy. Get these out of here. I got invoices. I got documents that need to be scanned. All of this stuff is too much. I'm overwhelmed, and I'm sure you are too. Yes, I'm serious. I want you to simplify your tax prep and your finances with the Epson Rapid Receipt RR600W wireless scanner. It's perfect for you small business owners, people that have home offices, consumers, and anybody that has to file expense reports. The software scans your receipts, invoices, and documents. It then accurately organizes that data and integrates it right into your favorite financial software like Excel, QuickBooks, TurboTax, and cloud storage services. And get this, no subscription fees and no data entry. Thank you, Epson. It's all under $500. Just go to Epson.com to check it out. And for more on everything I covered today, visit the website killerapps.com. Now get to spring cleaning. You got chores to do.